Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy DIY moss centerpiece. I see it being sold in high-end and luxury stores for a pretty pricey amount, and I'm going to show you how to make this for a fraction of the cost. So if you're interested in knowing how I create this, please keep watching. You will first need a bowl or a container of your choice. You can also use a container that you no longer like by painting it and giving it a fresh new look. It can be an old dish, or it could also be items that you exchange between friends and family members to create this beautiful look. Next, you will need some moss. I got mine at the local Dollar Tree or dollar store. They have different kinds of moss. I got mine in green, or you could even find some that have different colors if you're in a fun mood. I will also link a couple of different options that you can find on Amazon as well. Next, you will need some moss stones. I found mine on Amazon and I will make sure I link it down below. You can also, I think it comes with 8 or 9 in a box, and what I did was I cut it in half so that I could get more use out of these moss stones. You will also need a few succulents if you'd like to add it to your centerpiece. I did add them to mine. You have numerous options on Amazon. Again, I will link that down below as well. You will then need some tissue just to add as a filler. Let's start by taking the bowl of your choice and adding a plastic bag to it just to fill it up. I then go ahead and mold it to my liking to fit the bowl, and then I add a few pieces of tissue on top of the plastic bag and mold it again until it forms to the bowl and according to my liking. I now cut open the bag of moss and I take out the moss, open it up, and what I didn't include in the clip over here is that I actually ran the moss over water just so that it expands. It gives it a livelier green and it plumps out. I now place the wet moss on top of the bowl, and again I start to play around with it and I mold it according to my liking. There is no perfect formula to this, it's just how you like it. You're going to notice a couple of ups and downs and bumps, and all of that adds to the beauty of this centerpiece. So take your time. I hope this is as calming to you as it is to me. It was very therapeutic making this very simple and easy centerpiece. I now start adding the moss stones and I play around with it. I add a couple of large along with a couple of small, and I go around the bowl and I change it and I rearrange it until I find what looks perfect to my eye. I now start bringing in the succulents, and again, the same process. I push them into the moss. I place them where I think looks good, and if it doesn't, I just take it out and rearrange it in another place where I think it looks fit. And there you have it, your cute little DIY moss centerpiece. Every time you walk by that table, it will bring a smile to your face. Add a couple of accessories, light your favorite candle, and it will be as calming as it is to me, to you as well. This is a lifestyle channel, so I will bring you DIYs, travel, beauty and fashion, and cooking videos. If this is something that interests you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And also comment down below on what you'd like to see next. Until next time, XOXO.